let's talk about left join, which is also called left outer join. Let's think about this way. We have table on the left from which we take everything, and we have table on the right from which we take only the matches. In our example, the table on the left is table with countries. The table on the right is table with cities. So we need to look for the matches on the right side. We have France, match for Paris. We have Italy, which is match for Rome. And we have Italy, which is match for Milan. And we have also Poland. But Poland is on the left side, so we take it anyway, that record. And we have no match for London. In that case, we reject that record and we are not taking it to our final table. Let's see our final table. So in our final table, we see France and Paris, and we see Italy 2 times. So if there is multiple matches on the right side, we finish with multiple records for Italy. So we have ID 2 times. And in case of Poland, from the left side, we have Poland here because Poland was on the left side, because it's left outer join. Outer means that we take data outside of join, so outside of this relation. So in that case, this is Poland. And in Poland, for city, for the right side, we put null. Null is empty record in SQL. It was theory and our example, but let's see this in practice in notebook and run that notebook on SQL Warehouse. We have 2 hour tables. For the purpose of that exercise, we are using temporary views. Link to that notebook you can find in the description below. Okay, let's see countries and cities. To cities, we added city ID, and it's nice to have ID for every row in data modeling, but in that case, we are not using it for join purposes. Okay, let's execute syntax to perform join. How the left join syntax works. We select the field which we want to retrieve from both tables. We list the left table first, countries. We specify left join with the right table, cities. All rows from the table left to left join will be returned. The on clause tells the database how to match a row from the 2 tables. Here we match on country ID. All rows from countries appear in the result, even if they don't have matching country ID in cities. Any row from cities with no matching country ID in countries are not appear in the output. And what we see here, Poland's appear in the result set, but has no matching city, therefore its city value is null. And London doesn't appear because it has country ID of 4, which doesn't match any row in the countries table. As you can see, if you remember that simple rules, it's a really nice solution to use left join, and I can encourage you to watch my other videos about other types of joins. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video from SQL Bootcamp. If you are looking to experiment with SQL, the easiest way is to try serverless Databricks. You will get $400 in free credits and access to a cloud-based SQL warehouse with a powerful online SQL editor. Simply follow the link in the description below to get started.